Here we have two panels, panel B and the panel A. They look all the same, the wire diameter, the mesh hole, but the welding strength is totally different. Now let's do a test. Use a tool to split the wires and see the result. Wheeler, please. Okay. Oh. You can see the wires break. Wow, very easy to take the wire off the whole panel. The welding is really bad quality. Now we tested the panel A. We use the same tool. We can see the wires bend, but we cannot split the wires. It's still on the panel. So you can tell the welding strength is really good. Now let's give a close-up of this point. Camera, please. Okay. Well, all the two welding difference comes from the different welding machine. With a good welding machine, the panel will be like this. But if the welding machine is bad, then the wires will be like this, very easily to break up. So this is a good panel, this is bad one. Now we'll drop the panels onto the ground and see what will happen. Now you can see the whole panel is bent and the wire is loose. Here, the wire all loose. Now we'll drop another panel and see the result. Here we can see no wires split and all wires are welded together. And the whole panel is relatively steady.